Well, I guess the rumors were true. The 3090 Ti is legit real. After delay after delay after delay, this thing can now do more than just steal all your money out of your checkbook. The 3090 Ti is finally released and hash rates have finally been revealed. So let's find out what this thing can actually do. What's going on, everyone? Rabid here, and welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel. So before we get into the hash rates, I just want to give a big shout out to ChumpChangeXD, who managed to get his hands on one of these for testing. So this is where the numbers are coming from. I threw them into a spreadsheet and kind of, give my thoughts on how I think this thing is actually performing. All right, so we're just going to start with what everybody wants to know first. How is Ethereum? Now we're going to be looking at Ethereum, Ravencoin, Firo, Ergo, Aleph, Toncoin, as well as Flux. But you guys can look at the settings and everything. I don't imagine too many people are going to be buying these, so really need to look at the settings or know the settings because this thing is expensive and honestly in the top 3 of what not to buy in 2022. Any of the 3090s is not worth purchasing for crypto mining. Anything. Anyway, regardless, let's take a look at this. Ethereum, it does look like we were getting a hash rate, or at least ChumpChange was getting a hash rate of about 130.5 at 357 watts at the wall. So that does come out to be a 0.36 hash to watt ratio. Now, he did point out that it's using 8 watts at the riser. As you can see, I have it marked in red because I don't know. For some reason, I have a hard time believing that something of this caliber of a card is pulling, such low wattage at the riser. I believe it's going to be a lot more. Like even 5700 XTs can go like upwards of over 75 watts and whatnot. So I don't know if there's a glitch in the system or, maybe this is legit. I have no idea. I haven't had one to test and I haven't tested any risers, but it just seems fairly low. So I just want to point that out that I don't know how this riser power is actually doing here. Next on the list, we're going to go through Ravencoin. Couple points I want to make here. 1, I put all the hash rates in green so you can see it easier. And 2, Ravencoin, Firo, you got to remember, it's a prog pow-ish type of spin-off here with Ravencoin being Kapow and also obviously Firo being Firo Pow now. But the hash rates will change. You won't have a consistent hash rate all the time. So I just want to keep that in mind. You'll see it more on Firo, but it does follow suit in Ravencoin as well. But it looks like 53.3 of a hash rate here. Hash to watt ratio is 0.13, and the wall power is sitting at 397. So, probably getting a little bit toasty here. I believe the A2000 is sitting around a 0.19 on Ravencoin in terms of hash to watt ratios. All right, guys, let's hammer through this. It just gets the information out. Quick video, roll through. So Firo, we do have 54.18 for a hash rate. Power at the wall was 399. Hash to watt ratio of about 0.13. Ergo looks like we're hitting, or ChumpChange was hitting. I'm always used to saying we're, I don't know, it's so weird. Anyway, Ergo, 275.3 of a hash rate. Wall power was 276 at the wall. Hash to watt ratio is 0.99. I just want to point out this is, I think we can do a lot better. Remember, this is brand new, not much tweaking yet. I think we can work around and get better numbers on this, but majority of the NVIDIA cards are sitting over a hash to watt ratio of 1. Remember, they're getting the higher mega hash than the power used. So if this is, the best you can get, then obviously the 3090 Ti is failing on Ergo. Aleph, it's looking like 2.943 gigahash at 373 watts at the wall. Hash to watt, or I guess hash to gigawatt here is 0.00789. Ton looks like 5.334 gigahash at 373 watts at the wall, 0.0143 hash to gigawatt type of ratio. And then we got Flux rolling in at 113.2 souls with a wall power of 357, and that's an efficiency rating of 0.317. There we have it, guys. Quick results on what the 3090 Ti can produce at early stage numbers. I'm sure we're going to see as time goes on, more tweaked out settings here to see how well this thing fully performs. But overall, this thing's too expensive. It's not worth it for mining. It's burning too much power. It's not efficient. And, that's just the bottom line. But are you looking at the 3090 Ti's? My honest reason why you'd want to buy a 3090 Ti is really just to say that you have one. I got the best. It's sitting in my PC. Now what? So that's the only reason I could see myself purchasing one. I was going to buy one, but only if I could return it. And, a lot of the vendors would not allow me to do that. And it's still not even available in Canada. So yeah. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about this 3090 Ti. Are you planning on buying one? Are you not going to get one? What are you going to be doing after Ethereum is gone? My highly recommended GPUs is probably looking for A2000s or the 3070s non-LHR. Everything else to me at this point in time, if Ethereum does drop out in June, the majority of the other GPUs I don't think will really cut it. But again, what's your opinions on this? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and Rabid out. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed something, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week, so be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.